Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to do the median with a specific case of when the mid value is being given in the question. Mid value series. Suppose a question is given, compute median from the following data, and marks are given mid value 5, 15, 25, 35, 45. Along with it, number of students are given 10, 12, 8, 11, 9. So how we will calculate median when such question are given? Now here median class, how can we calculate the median class when median class is not given? So first what we have to do is we have to convert it into class intervals. This mid value series will be converted into class intervals. So first step will be convert mid value series into class intervals, right? अब class interval में कैसे करेंगे? We will take the difference between the two. That means 15 minus 5 is 10. We will divide it by 2. It is 5. Now how we will use this 5? We will use this 5. Lower value के लिए we will subtract it, and for the upper value we will add this 5. So here when we will write marks x, अब ये 5 है. अब 5 तो मिड वैल्यू गिवन है, अब हमें लोअर वैल्यू और अपर वैल्यू चाहिए. ये 5 जो हमने कैलकुलेट किया, टू गेट द लोअर वैल्यू विल सब्ट्रैक्ट 5 minus 5 0, 5 plus 5 10. Next 15 minus 5 10, 15 plus 5 20, 25 minus 5 20, 25 plus 5 30. Likewise we will write further, we will calculate for the class intervals, and the frequency which has been given to us 10, 12, 8, 11 and 9. Rest calculation is completely same as we have done in the continuous series. Only the thing which we have to do is we have to convert it into exclusive series. Now first we will calculate the cumulative frequency. It will be 10, 10 plus 12, 22, 22 plus 8, 30, 30 plus 11, 41 and 41 plus 9, 50. We will take out the total of frequency as well. It will be equivalent to the last cumulative frequency. Now to calculate median class, to calculate median class we will use the formula median is equals to size of n by 2th item. By putting the value n here is, n is sigma f. So sigma f is 50. 50 divided by 2th item is equal to 25th item. Now we can find out 25 इसमें कहाँ पे आ रहा है? 25 आ रहा है 30 के अंडर में. So we get the model class. इसको अब हम इस तरह से यहाँ पे मेंशन करेंगे. So size of 25th item lies in cumulative frequency 30, hence median class is equal to 30 के सामने वाली कौन सी क्लास है? 22 30. मीडियन क्लास होगी 22 30. L1 क्या होगा? ये लोअर वैल्यू इज इक्वल्स टू 20. फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या होगा? 30 के सामने वाला जो 8 है ये फ्रीक्वेंसी इज इक्वल्स टू 8. क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी 30 से ऊपर वाला, दिस 22 विल बी क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी. एंड आई क्या होगा? 20 to 30 के बीच का गैप, दैट इज 10. Now we have got all the things, right? अब when we have got all the things, what we will do is we will put the another formula. Now to find out median, use the following formula. फॉर्मूला कौन सा लगेगा? मीडियन इज इक्वल्स टू L1 प्लस n upon 2 minus CF upon F into I. By putting the values, L1 is 20, n by 2 we have calculated 25, minus CF is 22, upon frequency we have taken 8, I is 10. Now what we have to do is, ये जो पीछे वाला पार्ट है, L1 के पीछे वाला पार्ट को हम कम्प्लीटली सॉल्व कर देंगे. दैट मीन्स इस पूरे पार्ट को हम अलग से सॉल्व करेंगे. सो इट विल बी 20 प्लस 25 minus 22 is 3 upon 8 into 10. It will become 30 upon 8. 20 plus 30 upon 8. Dividing 30 by 8, we get 3.75. Now by adding 20 and 3.575, we get 23.75. Hence, median is equal to 23.75. Make it in a box so that the answer is highlighted separately. This is how we will calculate median. Calculation you already know how to do in continuous series. The main thing is to convert mid value series into the exclusive series, class interval series, right? So this thing which you should know, I hope it is clear to you. If you want to ask anything, if you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. Thank you. God bless you all.